Hi everybody, thank you for joining us for our Tuesday weather video brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Well, around the country at the moment, not much to talk about. All eyes are actually on Australia as a low pressure system starts to form here. You can sort of see the clouds. Around us, a lot of high pressure dominating. But this cloud out here actually bringing rain to Alice Springs at the moment. They've had a number of days of rain and they've got more coming, more than places like Canterbury have got in the short-term forecast, which is a bit unusual. But we do have some rain coming for Canterbury this weekend. It's all from a low that's coming out of Australia. So it's all connected to us, but at the moment high pressure is dominating. The winds are light and the clouds are certainly here and there around the country with the cool, calm mornings and then the mild afternoons. It's kind of a nice recipe for making morning cloud. So this is the setup for Wednesday. As you can see, big high pressure up here to the north, but we've got a few showers also lingering around it. And if you track the isobar, this one here, goes right up into the subtropics to New Caledonia. We've seen this happen so many times this year. I mean, it's become normal, but I don't really recall so many highs parked up like this, bringing down this warmer air. So we will see a lift in the temperatures a little bit into Wednesday. It's not going to be majorly warm because the winds aren't very strong and there's a fair bit of cloud around as well. But the overnight lows will be well above average for these northern areas and the south fairly average. Into Thursday now, and that's when you start to see this Australian system forming. So here it is. Now, with all this blocking air pressure, look at this, a trifecta of highs, two of them there, another one here, all connected. So this big area of high pressure is saying to this low, you're not coming in. The low wants to, but it's not going to really have a good chance at doing that. What's likely to happen is it's going to take the path of least resistance. So from Sydney to Fiordland, and then it's sort of might cross over the South Island if this high here can just move further away. So we'll give you a Friday where you can sort of see that happening. But the centre of the low going like this, it's dropping down this way. Now it's likely to form a low pressure system out to the east of the South Island over the weekend. That's the good news for Canterbury and some spillover for you too. But here on Friday, nor'westers coming out of the subtropics, out of Australia. So it's a warm Friday, even with the rain. It'll be heavy on the west coast. It'll be very windy in the eastern areas and central areas with gales, probably below damaging for the most part though. But Friday, a typical spring day. This is spring. Lows versus highs. We're going to see more and more of this as we head in towards October. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long 10-day forecast, go to Sky Channel 081 for Country TV.